everyone and welcome back to a brand new video of mine. And as you know that today I'm going to talk about two Vaseline products. If you wish to know more, then continue watching. So this is the first product. This is Vaseline's Intensive Care Deep Restore Body Lotion, and it is meant for dry skin. That means people who are suffering from dry skin, you can just give it a try. This product is really awesome. In the beginning only I'm telling you that because I'm a die-hard fan of this product, and the price is rupees 235, and at this price point you will be getting 300 ml of product. Now this is quite big, as you can see. So if you are buying in a month once, I don't believe if one person is using it that in the next month you have to buy it again. Now let me tell you this, what kind of smell it is having. It is having a very mild fragrance. It is not going to give you a headache, I can tell you that. And I'm just want to show you the texture of this product. I really like this. Not only in winter season, I prefer to use this in any kind of season. It's not coming out. Yes, now this is the thing. As you can see, I have already reviewed a lot of body lotions which used to flow from here and there. From that angle you can see that this body lotion is having a thick texture. It is standing, it's not flowing away from my hand. So now thick texture means it is good for dry skin people. I can tell you that. I can talk lots about dry skin, and if you are applying it now, then maybe after 3-4 hours you need to apply it, and it makes your skin very soft and supple. That much I can tell you. I'm using it for a long time actually, and I'm really a great fan of this product. I'm having in my house almost I'm having, I think, almost all the products of Vaseline in my house. Now this is the next one. This is also Vaseline's body cream. As you can see, Deep Restore Body Cream. The color combination is almost the same if you have a look. Now let me quickly tell you the product price and quantity. The price is rupees 160, and the quantity which you will be getting in this is 150 ml. Now I am using this product. Yes, after opening this it looks like this. I have used it some. Now this is the thing. I hope you can see this. It's a tub. Now what I was saying, yes, I am using this product from 7 days. Not a very long time, but I'm using this product for years. Now let me show you the texture of this cream. The smell is good as usual. This is it. I find it a bit, what to say, sticky. But by applying this lotion, I don't feel that. This is also a difference. So it is a bit sticky also. Now what I was telling, if you are having a normal skin type, you can use it. If you are having oily skin type, I think, I'm not so sure, but yes, it can go for you. But people who are having dry skin, very dry skin, I don't think that this is very good for you. It's my personal opinion, and I don't have any harsh feelings for the brand because I love Vaseline a lot and I use lot of Vaseline products. One day surely I will show you that what products of Vaseline do I use. And one more thing is that guys, I have reviewed one more body butter on my channel. If you want to have a look of that, I'll put the link somewhere up there. If you have liked this video of mine and if you think that this video is worth sharing, then please do share this video of mine. And till my next video comes, loads of love, tata, take care and bye bye.